Hi everyone, in this video, I will do a review about this option trading journal and investment portfolio tracker. This is a spreadsheet that is designed for those people who do the option trading, at the same time also do the stock investment. It's suitable for those people who do the wealth strategy, such as cash secure put and covered call. It is also suitable for those people who combine the option and investment together. First of all, I will do a quick overview about this spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is divided into three parts. The first part is the option trading journal. This is the place where you input all the option trade details so that you can get realized profit and return on investment from the trade. The second part is the stock transaction history. Here's the place where you record your buy or sell stock transaction, your stock dividend transaction, and your cash deposit or withdrawal transaction. And the third part is the account summary. Here's the place that you can monitor the performance of your option trading. It shows you the income, how much income you make from the option trading every month, and your return on investment every month. It also shows your winning trade and losing trade each month. This chart shows your income every month, income from the option trading, your return on investment from option trading, and the number of winning and losing trade every month. I will do a demo on how to input a cash secure put option trade here. Let's say I'm doing a cash secure put on Apple stock. Here in the stock column, I will put the ticker symbol for Apple, AAPL. The strategy I use is cash secure put. I execute this trade on Think or Swing platform. So I sell a put option on Apple with the strike price of 150 put. So I put a minus here to indicate that I'm selling a put option at 150 strike price. My break-even strike price is 152. So when I enter this trade, the Apple stock is traded at $154. This put option expired on 29th of January. So I enter this trade on 5th of January. The contract that I sold is one contract. The net entry price, I received a credit of $2.5 for enter this trade, so the total premium I collect is $250. The commission charged by broker is $2.50. Let's say that I was assigned the Apple share here on 29th of January, so I exit the trade on 29th of January. When I exit, the stock price is around 150, so I didn't pay for anything to close this trade, so commission also zero. Since I was assigned the Apple share, so I'm obligated to buy 100 share of Apple. To record the purchase of Apple share, I need to go to stock transaction history and do a record here. So on 29th of January, I bought Apple 100 share of Apple at a price of $150 with the commission of $3. There is an outflow of $15,000 from my account. Here the available cash already dropped from just now $190,000. So after I update the stock transaction history, I need to go to the stock position to update my stock position, and it will appear here the number of position, my cost to purchase the Apple stock, my average cost, the market value now, and my unrealized profit, and also my unrealized profit percentage. Here you can see how much the Apple share, how many percent of allocation among my investment portfolio. So here account summary, you can see your account starting capital. First of all, you need to put in your account starting capital, and it will show you your available cash, your total net liquidation value, and your return on capital. So that's all for this review. If you are interested on this trading journal, you can check the link below. It is available on etsy.com. Thanks for watching this review. Please leave a comment below if you like this video. Please give a like and share to other people.